Hi, I'm going to show you how to install and then use the EV Robot Simulator from Virtual Robotics Toolkit. So click on the link, it will take you to here, choose either Windows or Mac, click on it and you download to your downloads folder. There's mine, double click on that and then it installs, takes a while. After it's installed it will come up, it'll look like this, or there's another one with sort of funny emblems around it. Double click and you might need a key. Well, actually you can just click on the activation thing. I've already done that, so it won't come up, but click on trial period and then I'll give you an activation key later on. It takes a while to install, to open, sorry, and takes a lot longer to install. And you'll see the robots environment at the top. There's a training area here which I haven't started using. I wouldn't worry about it because we're going to do our own training. This is going to open our Mindstorm program in the bottom, and then what I'd like you to do is once it's open you tap on the top and just click on that one there, and that gets rid of that message area. And here we have our Mindstorm file, which is possibly new to you, depends on if we've done robots before. Go File, New Project, Program, and wait for it to come up. And then down here you'll see the control blocks. We're mainly going to use Move Tank, and then we have the loops and switch blocks, and then we have the sensors which we're going to use later on, but for the moment we're just going to use the control blocks. And up here we're going to create a new file, and one I'd like you to use is the sandbox. So click on that and just go OK up here, and I've already done it, so just I'm going to overwrite that, but you might like to change the name later on. Then it takes a while to load in, and there's your robot, and you'll even hear the robot start and the bricks over here. What we're going to do is we're just going to go forwards, backs, and then spin around. So we're going to use the tank, just drag it into here. Okay, currently it's moving one rotation forward at 50% speed. So we're just going to change that to 2. Let's try that again. There it goes. And then we're going to duplicate that, or not. Okay, just drag another one in. It doesn't look like a duplicate. I think you have to copy and paste. Let's try that. So just click on there, go copy and then paste, and that works there. Okay, and then instead of going 2 ways to go backwards, one you can go -2 rotations and 50 on the other one. We'll try 1 rotation and see if it takes it all the way around. Forward, back, and then spin around. Okay, it got less than halfway, so I think we probably need about 2.5 rotations. So let's try that. 2.5. Oh dear. So, okay. I was using my keypad. It just hit it, deleted it for some reason. Let's try that again. -50. There we go. It's working now. And then 2.5. Let's try that. Oops. And way overcooked. And also it didn't start. To start from the start again, you can press a reset button, and I can't remember where it is. It should come up. There it is. And then pause and hit stop, and it will reset. Okay, to get that you just hit the top and wait for it to come down. There it is, and then it will fade away again in a minute. Okay, so let's just try 2 this time, see what that does. Alright, well I'll leave you to play with it to get the exact right setting so it spins and stops at the area. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create another one. Now before we do that, we're going to actually save, and we're going to save as, because we're going to rename the project to task 1. Okay, make sure you know where you're saving. If you click the down button, it will tell you C users R Burton, OneDrive, Cabra College. Okay, and then it'll be logo creation, so that's okay. And task 1, save, and you'll see that changes up there. And then we're going to do a new program, and this time we're going to change the name to Square. Okay, and then we're going to actually download it in a minute. Now to do a square, what we're going to do is we're going to go forward, turn right, and we're going to do it 4 times. Now we could just do forward, turn right, forward, turn right, forward, turn right, forward, turn right. There's a much easier way of doing that, and that's using one of these blocks, which is the loop block. So we're going to drag that in. Now if you're having trouble with space, you can actually maximize this, and then you have a lot more room. And instead of going infinity times, we're going to go 4 times. And what we're going to do is we're going to go forward for 1 rotation, and then we're going to turn right, and we're going to have to pick how far we turn right. So if B is on the left hand side and C is on the right hand side, if we go -50 with